Hi everyone, welcome to another video of an easy and homemade recipe. Today I'm going to show you how I make my sweet potato fries. It's very simple and easy and you'll be able to enjoy it. So let's just get right into it. For this recipe, I'm using 2 sweet potatoes of a medium size and I'm going to peel them off. Once I'm done peeling the potatoes off, I've cut them in 4. So now I'm gonna cut it in a potato fry size. So as you can see, I am mincing them up and cutting them in a kind of a chunky size so that it doesn't get too small, because the consistency of the sweet potato is different from the consistency of a normal potato. So it gets so moist quickly. So once I'm done cutting them up, the secret to having crunchy sweet potatoes is the cornstarch. So I'm putting 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Since the cornstarch is the important ingredient that I need to have my sweet potato fries really crunchy, so I'm mixing them up to make sure that they all get coated with it, because I do not want them to be mushy. Then to that I'm adding just a little bit of salt because the sweet potatoes are already sweet, and I'm adding pepper also for the seasoning. Then to that I'm going to add garlic powder, and you can add any other seasoning. You can add paprika or chili powder if you like it, but I would rather just keep them very simple. So with my children like it like that. Then I'm using also olive oil that I'm mixing with them, so it will give them a very nice, not only crunchy but oily type like fry, just like you will have a normal potato fry. So then once I'm done, I am going to lay it on a parchment paper, and I'm going to make sure that I line them up in a way where it's not touching each other. So I'm spacing them up like you see. I have preheated my oven to 400 degrees and I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I'm flipping them up and letting them cook for 10 more minutes to make sure that it just gets very crunchy. So make sure that you watch the sweet potatoes, otherwise you will get burnt. So you can see mine, some of them are a little burnt but not much. So I like it like that too, because it makes it crunchier. And once I'm done, I'm now removing them from the sheet and I'm going to enjoy them. And it's very good. You can serve them with whatever choice you have, whether it's ketchup, whatever sauce you like to. It's very good. We just serve it plain like that and we enjoy it. It's very good. I hope you try it and let me know how you found it. If you like the content of the videos I'm making, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification to get notified every time I post a video. Don't forget to share the video. Until next time, enjoy.